breaking right through. I'm a spark, I'm a flame, I'm a fuse. What's the use? Roll it back, let it flow. Time's a wave, let it go. Chill up, let your heart fly free. Chill up, come and dance with me. Breathe in, let it spin, we're a galaxy. Clouds in my coffee, but I sip it just fine. Laughter's a melody that tangles with time. I'm a dream, I'm a stream, I'm a rhyme. Let it climb. Roll it back, feel the glow, catch the vibe, let it show. Chill up, let your heart fly.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome. Welcome.
Well, hello there.
Oh, hello. Welcome back to another Tiki Tours adventure. It is, what is it? Friday, end of May. And it's actually our anniversary weekend. Happy 2-year anniversary, baby cakes. 2 years of wedded bliss. I have to say that because she's listening.
Did he say bliss?
Wedded bliss. 2 years. We are at a place called Hazelnut Farm in Coringal. With a C, not Coringal Shopping Centre. I don't know how far away.
Maui.
It's probably 20 kilometres past Maui, into the bushes, into the middle of nowhere really. There's no phone reception at all. But have a look at this place. It's stunning. This is the creek just outside our spot, which is huge. Let's have a look at our spot up here. We're all set up by ourselves. We're probably, I don't know, 200-300 metres away from the nearest person. It's a Hipcamp. It was $40 a night, I think. I'll let you know. But we have this whole area to ourselves. I mean, you could fit 25 people on here, no problems at all. So we've set up, got the campfire going straight away. Well, sorry, I attempted to get the fire going and then my wife decided to be more manly than me and get it going better than me. And anyway, we're here for the weekend. We'll show you about. Probably go to the pub tomorrow, take the doggies with us, get the drone up, show you the hazelnut farm. These are all the hazelnut trees. Hundreds of them, hundreds. She was a bit sketch coming in with the van. She was nice and tight, some potholes. But the Triton, which I'm slowly, it wasn't frightened. We nearly had a head on with a truck coming around the corner though. Luckily we were going 20 k's an hour, but all ended well. What we're starting to do some upgrades to the Triton to get a tour ready for when we're ready to tour. It's alright. I already spilt porridge on myself.
Oh, of course you did.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Saturday morning, 29th of May. Something like that.
Yeah, I think so.
We survived the night. It's cold. Got down to about 6 degrees. Put the diesel heater on this morning.
Okay.
Very, very peaceful. Not a sound. And this morning it's a balmy like 11 degrees at the moment probably.
Maybe.
Something like that. Just going to have some brekkie.
Porridge.
Some porridge and another coffee. And then we're going to go for a drive. But I bought a crab pot. I'm going to put the crab pot in the water. See if I can catch some crab. And apparently there might be some platypus here. If it's more than one, is it platypi or platypus? Anyhow, I'd like to. Anyway, we'll see you after. Oh, Welcome to my new segment called Crabbing with Shane. First of all, you need a crab net. I bought a crab net from Amazon. About 30 bucks, whatever it was. A bait bag from the tackle shop, Anaconda.
How much?
The crab pot was like 40 bucks delivered, but I actually saw them at Anaconda for 2 for 28. But doesn't matter. And this was like 5 bucks. So stick the bait in. I googled what to use and it said to use salmon heads, but I didn't have salmon heads, so I've gone chicken carcasses and I've put some smelly sardines and sardine juice in it. So preferably an oily fish, because then the oil sort of floats down the river and the crabs come running. So let's see if this is better than my fishing.
Couldn't be any worse.
Can't be any worse. So, see how we go. Oh, smells crabby. Right, look at that. Just tie it up somehow. I don't know what those metal things are for.
Just hook on the inside of the crab pot so they don't take it away.
They're not going to take it away.
Well, that's what they're for.
How do you know? Have you been crabbing before?
I have. Expert level.
Have you had crabs before, have you?
Yeah, in my paella.
Yeah. Ta-da! It's got two spots where the crabs can get in and hopefully can't get out. And just hook it to the top there. Good to go. If you were a crab, you'd love this. Alright, let's go crabbing. I'm going to ice bath at the same time. Sure.
And I am not.
It's not running very far over there, so I might walk down that way and hook her up.
There you go. Take your smelly. Are you taking the t-shirt off?
When I come back this way. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh, shit. This might be a bad idea. I don't even know if the crabs can survive in this cold water. Oh, I don't know. I don't think I will. Oh, oh.
Where are you going to attach it to?
Something here. Oh man, that is freezing. I'm alright. Oh, holy crap. Oh, I'm not sure this is going to work. I'll tie it to this log. You know what the bad thing about this is? I have to come back in the water to get it. Okay, come on, crabby, crabby. Oh, oh, oh. This might be colder than any cold that I've had to do before. Oh. Oh. All right, I'm going to give you my t-shirt. No, because I'm going to drop down to my neck for literally probably a second. Oh, I can't feel my feet. That's right, it's clicked on.
Get it off, get it off.
Oh, oh. All right.
Close so I can see your face properly.
Oh. Oh man. Oh, my nuts aren't going to like this.
Aren't going to?
Oh, I'm going to get them in first. Oh, Oh, praise Jesus, Lord. Mary McKillop. Oh, I've got to get my Zen first. What's the Iceman's name? Hey? No, the actual Iceman. Hey? Wim Hof. This is for you, Wim Hof. If you...
On the upside, you can see 6 pack.
Oh, hello.
Next one in.
I'm not going any deeper than that. Oh, I think I've just turned into a girl. Oh, that's enough. I don't want to tell. I just want to get in the hot water. Actually, I feel pretty good now. That's all right, baby. I don't need one. I'm a man.
I actually think you're technically a girl.
Now I'm going to have a shower. Oh, actually, no, I feel pretty good. I don't need a shower.
You can do a side-on walk like the crab done.
Side-on walk. Hang on. I'm going to give you my smouldering look. Ready? Jules thinks I have a smouldering look. Ready? That's one. And here's another one. Is there one more? Hang on. Oh no, that one looks like I'm constipated. Actually, I don't feel cold at all now. I feel great.
Great.
Yeah.
Get back in then.
Alright. Going back in. Take 2.
Can't believe you said yes to that.
It's cold when you're in here. Yeah, no. I prefer it when I'm out. Hang on, let me just check the temperature gauge. It's about 2 degrees.
And you're now Shanice.
Yes.
$5 a bag. Oh, okay. Oh, I'm getting wet. Alrighty. So, we're going to get some spuds. Self-serve. $5 a bag. So I've got the money box here. Okay, new spuds, freshly dug. So they'll be nice and dirty. Store in a cool, dark place. Coolio. Okay, so what have we got? We've got a variety of Sebago, suitable for all varieties of cooking. Yellow fresh. Oh, I don't know. Should we go this one? We'll go this one. Then I'll put the money in the thing. Do that there. Then we'll put the money in because it was kind of a bit heavy. We're just going to get rid of some silver because, you know, don't carry a lot of cash these days. So, thanks, dudes. I'm sure they'll be yummy as. Yeah. Hello, Sheeny. Hold this, please, Sheeny. I'm too short to get in the car.
Sheeny's holding. So what sort of spuds were they?
There was red, just roll up a little bit. There was yellow flesh, red skin, and Sebago. So the Sebago are best, like all kinds of cooking, and the others didn't say, so that's why I went these ones.
Right on. Baked potatoes, here we come. So this is the Erica pub, which is just open. It's 11:30. We were going to stop and have some lunch, but it's dog friendly, but it's a bit wet and raining, so we're just going to head back and have some party pies in the air fryer. So this is the little dog friendly area just here.
And it's good for the caravan.
Yes, and we have had dinner here before a while back when we came with some friends, and it was really tasty. And then you walk across the road and there's Caravan Park here. It's a little town called Erica. And since we didn't go out for pub lunch, now the weather's turned nice. But anyway, we've got a big fire going, and now we're having gourmet air fryer food.
Just me
And a mojito.
and the pine trees.
Cheers.
Far from the town, I'm gone camping, and the world can wait. Got a campfire burning and a full dinner plate. The bugs may be biting, the nights might be cold, but this life in the woods is more pure than gold.
Alright, final day. We're packing up in the rain as well. You know what they say, a bad day of camping is better than not camping at all. Haha. Oh, I just made that up myself. Lucky I've got a nice big thick dryzer bone. Jules is in there cleaning up the inside, just doing the final. Got to roll up the awning in the wet, unfortunately, so when I get home that'll come back out again. But this place has been unreal. Like Hipcamp, $40 a night. This is our whole site, all to ourselves. I think you can have up to 25 people on here. Got the creek there. You can have the fire. You could easily fit 7 vans on here, not a problem at all. These are the hazelnut trees. Had a chat to the owner, Bernie, yesterday. Great guy. So if you're in the area, come and stay at this Hipcamp. Book it on through Hipcamps. They've got 1,800 trees, I think he said. Actually, it might have been 18,000 trees. That sounds more like it. And they're all obviously hazelnut trees. And he used to have four backpackers come every year and help pick all the nuts, but he ended up buying a machine from Italy, so he does it all himself. It used to take him 3 to 4 weeks with the 4 guys. Now it only takes him 3 or 4 days on his own with this machine, and he gets around about 12 tons of hazelnuts every year, or normally every year. He said he's been struggling a little bit since COVID, and then he sells them at farmers markets and things like that. So if you're in the area, look for a farmers market, find Bernie and buy some hazelnuts. But yeah, great spot. We'll definitely come back for sure. And this is the pick of the bunch, this one, so we'll try and book this same camp spot again. Anyway, we're gonna sign out and finish packing up in the rain. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, send us a comment. If you didn't like it, give us a thumbs up anyway, and subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 100. That's all right. It's all good fun in the beginning. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you in the next one. See ya.